Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you helpful tips and information to live a healthy and balanced life. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: cucumbers for diabetics. If you or someone you know has diabetes, this video is a must-watch. So let's dive right in. Cucumbers are not only delicious and refreshing, but they also offer a ton of health benefits, especially for diabetics. Let's talk about why cucumbers are a fantastic addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. First and foremost, cucumbers are extremely low in carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. A 1-cup serving of sliced cucumbers contains only a mere 2 grams of carbs, and most of these carbs come from fiber, which is great for managing blood sugar levels. Another benefit of cucumbers is their high water content. Staying hydrated is crucial for everyone, but especially for diabetics. Cucumbers are about 96% water, which helps keep you hydrated and supports healthy kidney function. Cucumbers are also packed with important nutrients and antioxidants. They contain vitamins C, K, and A, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients help support overall health and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Now let's talk about some creative ways to incorporate cucumbers into your diabetic-friendly meals. One simple and delicious option is to add cucumber slices to your salads. They provide a satisfying crunch and a burst of freshness. Another fantastic way to enjoy cucumbers is by infusing them in water. It's a great alternative to sugary drinks and helps you stay hydrated throughout the day. Simply add some cucumber slices to a pitcher of water and let it infuse for a couple of hours. Voila! You have a refreshing and diabetes-friendly drink. And let's not forget the classic cucumber snack. You can enjoy cucumber slices as a standalone snack or pair them with some hummus or Greek yogurt for a protein boost. It's a guilt-free snack that won't spike your blood sugar levels. To wrap it up, cucumbers are a fantastic addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. They are low in carbs, high in water content, packed with essential nutrients, and can be enjoyed in various creative ways. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a few cucumbers and start reaping these amazing benefits. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Remember, taking care of your health is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.